Okay, here are a couple central air conditioning units behind a foot doctor building in Iowa City. Here's a old Ruud unit which is running. And this is a very old Ruud unit. It's probably maybe one of the oldest Ruuds I've ever seen in person. This might actually be an 80s unit, possibly. Yeah, this unit is a Ruud unit, high efficiency. And it sounds like it has a reciprocating compressor. Nice. Not sure what kind. Might have possibly a Bristol reciprocating. And the data is completely worn off, so I don't know what year or ton it is, but I'd assume it's probably maybe from the 80s. And then maybe it's probably maybe a 3-ton based on its size. And there's line set for it. And then there is a another Ruud unit over here. Here's another Ruud unit which is currently not running. This one's a Achiever 10, Ruud Achiever 10 model. This unit is a 2.5 ton from 1992. Nice. And it has a reciprocating compressor also, probably a Bristol. Not been running. And that vintage Ruud over there just turned off. Looks like it might have a newer motor. But yeah, these units are at a foot doctor building I've never looked at before here in Iowa City. Never knew these units were here, actually. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of these two units. Anyways, thanks for watching.